Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we are en route to our local motor racing circuit, Snetterton, so that we can watch the British Truck Racing Championship. Now, we went to the British Truck Racing Championship last year at Snetterton, and this exact road had roadworks going on. It was being completely redone because it was an old concrete road. Now it's tarmac, but that was down to just a single lane and 40-mile-an-hour speed limit, whereas now we're back up to 2 lanes and 70 miles an hour, so that's good. Now, last year it was actually quite cold, whereas this year it is 18 right now. It's meant to get up to low 20s, but the weather forecast also says that there could be a bit of rain, so that could be entertaining for some of the racing. The roads are also relatively empty right now, but it is 9 o'clock in the morning, so what do you expect? We have arrived.
Down the back straight they go for the first time, and into the left hand on Agastini. Yeah, Bradley Smith is trying to get up the inside now on Stephen Powell. Towards Agastini they go, and trying to find his way back up the distance then. The power down, and he also have that position right behind the right six, and also looking to see if he can try to stop that gap that was left by Bradley Smith other than that. But the battle is on for the lead, and still this battle for third place. Now joined by Simon Reed in the number 89 truck. It's Michael Oliver, Kelly White, and Agastini. He's on the grass. Number 16 on Bray Reed at the same time as well. So it's come down to Agastini. Right, six places. So the track is at the same time. Right there, right hand step, 3 places. It might do, yeah. Half time step as well, and the outlet taking in the 68 is behind them, and they're still looking towards Agastini. They'll go there and they turn their way through. Still side by side they run, and then looks like he's got the power down and he takes over the lead on this process. So very fast, a little bit of effective in all the road, he gets found the way through. It doesn't go, so not first time. Invited that pressure there from Simon Reed to just continue piling on in that battle for second place as they make their way out on towards Agastini. Still running by the third right now, Phil Moller in second place, and the Simon Reed still on ground on hoping for this for now, but Simon Reed doesn't have a time here and wants to make it through. He makes it high again, right there. He wants to find a way past Jimmy Oliver. Well, the last man has got many places to make that overtake stick. Drivers, they play with all the best for the third time this weekend now, so again, race with a damaged truck on Agostini at the last time around. This time though, he's got the start he needed, now making his way in towards Agostini, and looking to try and build the gap as far as he can, and try and break going as well from 4 victories in Donington Park and 3 race finishes so far this weekend at Snetterton. Before that, making a run on 4 at now makes his way through the 5th place. Yeah, nice move there, really off the exit, and I just think there, that's where he got the power down. Now they might be there. Yeah, I think it's already a little bit too late to try that strategy, but now they make their way through into Agostini, lap after lap, Brian Smith has managed to exit the really good form of Agostini, trying to close it, and that's what the thing is down to the again, heading their way out towards Hamilton. Try and keep it behind as much as possible, but for Ryan Smith, Agostini is the place to go. When he gets a launch off the line, it's the corner where he's got a way to there. Ryan Smith always on the spot. For the final few rounds we have this year, he needs to make sure he finishes as much as possible ahead of Ryan Smith. There's a lot of points still to make sure back in that. Might be a little bit worried now because all of a sudden he's hit by Brian Smith on this lap already. On the bottom side down the back straight, so here we go. And back down the Bentley straight. He's committed as ever to try and get another win on the wall. Less than 3 minutes to go then as our top 3 Division 1 mentor. And we've got a slight incident which is coming from the against the live ball event. So that's that one towards the end of the race. Michael Oliver. Right down to the but Ryan Smith again, trying to go round the outside and he's down to Ryan Smith to score again. Great yeah, absolutely, as they now make their way through in towards Hamilton, then down into the middle of we go, and still right there, no way through. Ryan Smith can try and draw himself alongside. They are running side by side now. This is Ryan Smith's best job now. Take over the race, but they are running side by side, robbing each other as well on the way down. Down into the left. So they're on the final lap with number 20, trying to catch up with the trying to get ahead of Michael Oliver to get the final step on the podium. Meantime, the race up through second, Brian Smith third, 4th place for that. Well, Simon brings a really good start from Steve Powell as well. He managed to get the launch absolutely spot on. Although he done over the last few years. He's looking for an unprecedented 8th title by the time we get to the Grand Pass. For now, he's up front. How he's going to play something about it. Himself ahead of the Simon for the 4th position. Further back from there, we have John Oliver in 5th and then in 6th. There's quite a fight as well. We can have a figure and look out for them behind him. Also there is one front towards Rosling. He has to keep that position. In Division 1, then still Simon Reed putting the pressure on Rick Control and then if they make their way towards and for the third time. As one still to pull away in the lead of the race then. Still there, out in Control and third Simon Reed still flat. And then we have Oliver in place. That goes to around in the top 4. Third place of bid 2, and then we'll have very shortly Simon Cole complete the lap. He's going to continue on his way for Indians, but Neil, no real problem for Simon Cole, just a little bit of a moment. We're still on his own there, so the back end of it, I know he's going to contact the train here, so through. Right down to Hamilton, right there, comes up right there, so we're going down front by 4.5 seconds. Will be more than happy for second and third to start squabbling away between Powell and Colin. He'll be happy with that because they'll lose this time and he'll be able to try and close up to it. What we have seen is very tricky to overtake here at Snetterton. This shows you right here on the end of the magazine. This shot was struck just really nicely. Get the pound down. Just right. Well, that's going to have to be proven by Stephen Howard. He's done this before, and really set for every match. Do it again here. Once again, Ricky Collar actually goes from he went from defence to attack, and now we have to think about defence once again. That is all happening. No more help. Stephen Howard is quest passion. So this is a taking fight for the final places on the podium once again, and that match will be played out for that decision. Is right behind it then, and they make their way now on towards Richards then, and how twice and then an excellent line moves across the racing line, defends as much as he can, through Richards they go, and that is a Division 2 battle for the lead, heading into the closing stage of the final lap. They go then, half a lap of way back from go this year, anything can happen. Next stop for the British Truck Racing Championship is at Pembrey in Wales for the final round at fellow eventful in Grand Pass, where, as we said, there'll be a spectacular fireworks display to end the weekend. Plenty of fireworks on the track as well. We do urge you to go down there. It's a wonderful weekend, and you'll get to the truck down circuit for another 5 times across the course of the weekend. That, obviously, for all of you, is us done with this year's appreciation of the weekend. We've done it bang on time, so well done to all of you.
That is it for the day's racing at Snetterton today. It was quite sunny this morning, but then clouded over, and we did have some rain, which just made the racing even more entertaining. And it was a good day's motor racing. You can tell now that it's past summer, because it is actually getting a bit dark now. But that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.